I hope you guys are having a really fabulous Friday. I'm so sorry that I can't be here this afternoon. I hope you understand, though, that I have to leave a little early today for a wedding. I will not be available through email early this afternoon, but I will be able to check my email once I get to Indiana. I'll check and respond to what I can. So even if I don't get back to you right away, you can always check in. I'll check in a little later and get back with you guys. I did want to let you know that you can always email Mrs. Banasic as well. She knows because she works with my morning class, so she sees all the curriculum. Even though you guys don't normally work with her, you can just say, hi, I'm in Mrs. Donahue's afternoon class, and I know she can't email right now. Can you help me, please? And Mrs. Banasic is usually good about email. And I did warn her that you guys would probably be emailing her and letting her know that you might have any questions, okay? So don't forget, she's always a resource for you. I wanted to walk you through kind of what you're going to be doing today. So the first part, obviously, is your jump starter. So I'd like you to give a summary of Washed Up so far, all the way through chapter 4. So chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, just overall, what has happened? What have we learned? Just a summary, okay? This is a flip grid, so you will be recording yourself. The next thing you're going to do, this link is not clickable yet because I have not uploaded the video for it, but you are going to click and you're going to watch a video on some of the character traits notes for Washed Up. We're actually going to be moving down to the next section on our notes. So you'll be working through that and I will be giving you the answers to that section. We will review that section on Monday when we come back to whole group, okay? So even if you're a little stressed about a few things, we can always review it on Monday as well. So that's your whole group work for today. Your reading and analysis, if you did not finish chapter 4 and Washed Up, make sure you complete that and read it all the way through. After that, you have a theme response on Echo, okay? It is just a couple questions. The first part says, what is theme? That's a multiple choice question. And then number 2 says, now that we are almost through the book, a theme is beginning to emerge. What is the theme of the story in your own words, okay? I just want you to tell me what you think it's going to be so far because we haven't actually finished the book. We don't typically know theme until the very end, but a theme is beginning to emerge. So what are we going to learn from our story Washed Up? But the last part is the most important. It says, provide text evidence from the story to support your chosen theme. So I want you to pull direct quotes from the story so that way we are able to see what the theme is beginning to be. I'm mostly looking, guys, that you are choosing an appropriate theme for our story and that you're supporting it, okay? Even though we don't know what the exact theme is, I do want you to be able to support whatever you chose from text evidence from the story, okay? So it's 3 questions. Each written response is 2 points. And then your multiple choice is 1 point, okay? Make sure you answer all 3 questions. So that is your whole group reading and analysis work for today. The next part, obviously we're not meeting in small groups today because I'm not here, so Ms. Saunders will not be meeting with anybody as well. So just be focusing on your independent work. You have your Hyder practice in reading, so it's very similar to the one you did yesterday. You're going to read a passage, and then you're going to answer what the word hydraulic means in the story, okay? So that's your Hyder. And then you also have a daily analogy. So we've been practicing our analogies. It is hydrated is to wet, as dehydrated is to, and then you pick the best answer choice, okay? Finally, for reading, we have a longitude sentence writing. So remember, for our longitude sentence writing, your first one, I think it's in any order. So if you're writing a command sentence, you're telling someone to go somewhere. So an example might be, go to 65 degrees east longitude, or go to 65 degrees east longitude, or go to this location, which is whatever degrees longitude. It's a command. You're telling them to go somewhere, okay? An exclamatory sentence. This might be something really exciting, okay? So I'm going to I'm going to China this year. It's at this degrees longitude. I can't believe I'm going. It's something very excited. It ends in an exclamation mark, right? The third one is a statement. So our statement is just a complete sentence like, Europe is located at 20 degrees east longitude. Okay, just a regular sentence. Ends in a period, and then a question. Where is blah 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 degrees longitude? So you're just creating you're creating those different types of sentences to make sure that you're still able to write about any topic I pretty much give you at this point, which will come in handy for next week. Finally, you always have social studies unless I tell you otherwise now. Your What Am I project is due today. We started this on Wednesday. Remember, I already did numbers 1 through 5 for you guys on accident. And I was like, there's no reason you shouldn't turn in this assignment. It's worth 10 points, okay? I'm looking for best effort on this, guys, because I understand that latitude and longitude, especially virtually, is very difficult to figure out. I want to see that you're trying to figure it out. Okay, so make sure that you are just genuinely trying to understand latitude and longitude, north, south, east, west. Okay, so after you're done with all that, guys, make sure you have your Lexia minutes. You need 80 minutes and 16 units on Lexia. Other than that, guys, you have a great weekend. Don't forget, class starts at 1 o'clock on Monday, and I will see you guys there. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.